One, they're coming around. Starkweather holding them at bay. Nicely done. Front four get through. Inside, hot left. Bullet from Casper. They'll move it up to 3. Broken as well. Trying to bring it out. Moving. Starkweather's already putting a cap on that field. He's been dominant all night with that X-ray truck. Starkweather hook up. Casper to 2. So Casper's getting his speed on late in this race. And the front Starkweather will be orange and white. By scoring, working on moving. Casper behind the 1.17. That's the hook up. We got Casper turns it over. But Maluli the 2. So Chris bringing it up to 2. Ball back over to Casper. On that ball, we're making Otto, Brian, Denny, Brian, Bryce, Chris, and Tony rounding out the top 10. 5:09 to go, Duggars. 5:09 to go. Starkweather getting it done. 4.4 his lead. Casper off 3/10 on Maluli. 9/10 back to Machado in the 4 spot. So Otto working that truck up to the front of the group. Brian, Denny, Brian, Chris, Brian, and Tony. 4:54 to go, Duggars. 4:54 to go. Starkweather crushes the field with an 8.5 second lead. 4:06 to go. Chris, Tony, and Brian all hang within a second and a half of each other. Otto like the 5 spot, 4 back, 2 back to Froelich, 1 to Peck Pearson, 7 to Banks, 3 to Lothar. Vessel off. Denny ties on the 2 as they're going to get down and moving. He'll put the field coming around on his back door. Froelich just 1 second back, Pearson over. Froelich will pass for up into the 6 spot. Tony and Chris within a second. Casper's going back into the 2 spot. 8.7 back on our lead. Starkweather down the back to orange and white. Keeping that X-ray smooth and clean. His average lap almost 2 seconds faster than the field early in this race. Starkweather, Casper, Maluli, Machado, Luca, Froelich, Pearson, Banks, Lothar, Vessel. 3:20 to go, Duggars. 3:20 to go. Ryan starts on the inside 2, leading it down and moving on. Come through, traffic fast. Pearson goes over midfield. Maluli looks like he's lost steering at the front of the track. So that truck looks like it's lost power. Froelich looks like he's down and moving. So Maluli's truck off track has lost all go. Something snapped in that steering. So Maluli in that 5 spot. Starkweather, Casper, Machado, Luca, Maluli, he's driving like a rock. Froelich can take over the 5 spot. Pearson comes into the 6. Lothar, Banks, Vessel. A little pile in the middle, they're going to straighten that out. Lothar gets a little traction roll. Casper digging. He is back 8.5 seconds on our leader. 2:29 to go, Duggars. 2:29 to go. Starkweather turning 13. Casper turning 12. On time in this race. Casper's got some work to do. Back up Embry by with a 13-4. See if Tony's going to keep taking a launch action. Misses it. Got one of the back. Got one of the back. Casper by 12.6. Again, 1 second a lap faster. He's 6.8 off the leader. So we're going to see Embry's going to turn the wing up now. Casper starts to try to reel in. 1:58 to go. Chris going for a roll center. He is in that 5th spot. Him and Denny battling. Denny will go by 1.9 off the lead group. Starkweather, Casper, Machado, Luca, Pearson, Froelich, Lothar, Banks, Maluli, Vessel. 1:43 to go, Duggars. 1:43 to go. At that point, Starkweather, orange and white towards back. You can see, we're starting to see behind him, Tony trying to dig in there. Tony will put it off track, though. Tony was within a second and a half. Embry works underneath Banks, our bump car. To come to the back, he's going to turn that wing up. Let's make sure Casper doesn't get too close. 4.2 last time by as Embry drops on the low 13. Casper in the low 12 for lap time. 1:10 to go, Duggars. 1:10 to go. Start with that Casper. Embry puts it at 12. Still getting down there. 12-1 for Casper. He's taking to get there. A little tap from Embry. He'll straighten it out. Casper trying to 57 to go. Emery, Tony, Otto, Ryan, Denny, Chris, Ryan, Bryce, Chris, and Tony. Casper back 3.5 on our leader. 45 seconds to go in the race. We'll come back 26 seconds. Machado 5, 10 to Chris, 2 to Pearson, 2 to Loader. Offside down back, and Strowman goes over. They're going to hit down. Pearson's going to catch up. That's a good position. Still battling through there. With 34 to go, Pearson over the spot. Pro will drop back in spot. Out front, Starkweather has stretched his lead to 3.7. They work their way infield over. Goes Strowman to get him down. And traffic from Marshall going the other direction. 20 to go, drivers. 20 to go. Still working a hole on those spots. So Strowman can blow their way down. Across the 13. I'm trying to get one more lap of those two. White and the orange and white. Action toward those Pearson. Pearson getting out of it. Oh, Loader gets there. Well, Roman gets in. Roman will get by Loader. Ever comes by. They'll tear it up. Now being caught at the line will be Otto. Casper's going to get caught at the line too. So that's going to give the win to Starkweather. Pearson and Roman will battle all the way to the end of this lap. Pearson done. Roman done. Nice run, gentlemen. Nice run. Everybody in and done. Remember, people load their transponder, turn that transponder to the storm. We'll meet you at the Marshall's open short course. Open short course. Make their way out.
Oh, yeah. You should do that.
First Smith, Loader, Manton, Dirk, Luca, Merch, Starkweather, Chubb, Dolan, Rudisky.